Let me solve all your confusions and tell you the difference between your setting sprays and your fixing sprays. Starting off with your setting sprays, so these are used to set and blend your makeup layers together. Like you can spray after applying your blush, maybe after applying your foundation, like just to hydrate your face and just to set your makeup layers in place. They are super hydrating on your skin and feels like water on your skin. They are water based mostly, like a MAC Fix Plus one, this one, or that Prep and Prime one. So they mostly hydrate your face and they'll make your blending super easy. So when it comes to your Milani setting spray and your Charlotte Tilbury setting spray, so I'll tell you one thing, these kind of setting sprays not only just hydrates your face, but also at the same time they'll set your makeup in place. Like they'll make your makeup transfer proof also. Basically these are the mix of both. Then comes your fixing sprays like these one, the L'Oreal Infallible one, or your Urban Decay All Nighter one. So these are designed to lock in your makeup for long wear. Like you can wear your makeup for 12 hours and your makeup will not budge at all. Because most of these fixing sprays has alcohol in it that makes your makeup transfer proof, sweat proof, and very, very long lasting. Charlotte Tilbury setting spray also makes your makeup very long lasting, but at the same time, this will hydrate your face. But with these two, or your one size one or your Kryolan one, it's mostly about locking that makeup in place. Like your makeup will not budge at all. And that's why we use our fixing spray as the last step in our makeup routine. We can't apply this one in the middle of our makeup. Also, I'll clear one more thing out. You must be thinking, but my Charlotte Tilbury spray says it's a setting spray and my Urban Decay one says it's a setting spray. So know this one thing, it's just not in the name. It's about formula and ingredients. I'll just show you the difference also. See this MAC Fix Plus one? It's very water-like. It comes to your L'Oreal one. The texture is not very watery, but it gives that locking finish. Now, do you need both the sprays in your life? No, you don't need both the sprays. For sweat-proof and waterproof makeup, you can get these kind of sprays. But if you don't want that sweat-proof and waterproof kind of finish, then these hydrating setting sprays works really great. So there's nothing hard and fast rule or something. It's super simple. That's it. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. And I hope I solved your confusion. Bye.